अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर्स, आइए सीखते हैं कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट एब्रीविएशंस यानी कि फुल फॉर्म जो अक्सर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में हमारे लिए मुफीद साबित हो सकते हैं। NTS स्टैंड फॉर नेशनल टेस्टिंग सर्विस। पेमरा स्टैंड फॉर पाकिस्तान इलेक्ट्रिक मीडिया रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी। नेपरा स्टैंड फॉर नेशनल इलेक्ट्रिक पावर रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी। ACCP Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan. CDA is stand for Capital Development Authority. HBL is stand for Habib Bank Limited. UBL is stand for United Bank Limited. NBP is stand for National Bank Limited. NBP is stand for National Bank of Pakistan. DTV is stand for Pakistan Television Corporation. PPL is stand for Pakistan Petroleum Limited. NHA is stand for National Highway Authority. So PARCO is stand for Space and Upper Atmosphere Research Commission. PARCO PARCO is stand for Pak Arab Refinery Limited. WAPDA is stand for Water and Power Development Authority. KESC is stand for Karachi Electric Supply Corporation. PESCO is stand for Peshawar Electric Supply Company. LESCO is stand for Lahore Electric Supply Company. MEPCO stand for Multan Electric Power Company. PESCO is stand for Faisalabad Electric Supply Company. SNGPL stand for Srinagar Gas Pipelines Limited. SSGC is stand for Swiss Southern Gas Company. SBCA stand for Sindh Building Control Authority. PAEC is stand for Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission. NFC is stand for National Finance Commission. PSX is stand for Pakistan Stock Exchange. KSC is stand for Karachi Stock Exchange. LSE is stand for Lahore Stock Exchange. ISE is stand for Islamabad Stock Exchange. OGA is stand for Oil and Gas Regulatory Authority. KPRA is stand for Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Revenue Authority. डियर्स, ये वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो इस वीडियो को शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें, लाइक करें और हमारे हौसला अफजाई के लिए कमेंट करें। शुक्रिया।